everyone, I'm back with a review video for you guys today, and this time around I'll be reviewing the Deminuage QuickPore Technology Nano Pen that they sent me. They sent me an entire system, and I will show you guys what I got for this entire package. So on this package, I received the QuickPore Blanq Brightening Serum, which I received 5 vials of them. And then the QuickPore NanoPen Prime Daily Moisturizing and Lifting Essential Kit. And this kit includes the NanoPen, which is battery powered. They do have another option on their website, which is the rechargeable one, but the one I received is the one that you can replace with a AA battery. And then the Daily Nano Chips, which are packaged individually, which is really nice because they are one-time use. So a little background with my skin. If you follow my review videos, I love reviewing foundations and you get up close and personal with my skin. I have a lot of acne scarring on my forehead and on my cheeks, and anything that can help improve the appearance of them is a plus in my book. So I was definitely interested in trying out this kit. Just to give you guys a brief information on the entire system, I'll just read through what the product is according to their website. This is an innovative skincare line that uses QuickPore technology to help combat fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, blemishes, and more. The Deminuage Prime Pen attaches to a nano chip, which is powered by a grid of tips, each 1,000 times smaller than human hair. When applied to the face, this microscopic grid helps transport serums deeper into the skin, allowing 10 to 20 times better absorption of active ingredients. I'm not a stranger to microneedling. I actually have a microneedle that I've stopped using because you're not supposed to use that, but with this device, it's supposed to be 1,000 times thinner than an average human hair, which is really interesting to me. So like very thin, so it basically helps deliver the products, serums, moisturizers just deeper into your pores so that they become more effective with your skincare routine. So with that said, I'm going to cut right into the demo of the product so you can see how it works, what's included in the system on my. So for the demo of this product, normally I would do this in the bathroom, but since I'm set up here, I'll just show you. So the pen comes like this, and it has the little button in the back, and you can hear it vibrating, so that's how loud it is. And then the little needles come in the sanitized individual pack, so you just open one up and then you basically screw it on the top of this guy. So if you wanted to see a close-up of what it does, it basically goes back and forth in that motion, and it's very quick, and it's very thin. So the kit that they sent me comes with the Blanq Brightening Serum. So these are individual capsules that you just put a cap on, and you just basically tear off this part. After taking off the top, you basically just put the rubber cap on it. This product dries pretty quickly, so I usually just work in sections. So with my cheek area, I'll apply it in and then use the needle, and you can't feel it at all on your skin. It is very gentle, and I usually concentrate the product just on my acne scarring. And ideally you want to use this like all over your face, but for me, since I want to do like a concentrated treatment on the area that I have scarring, I just apply it on these areas. You can't feel the needles at all. It is very gentle compared to a traditional microneedling pen. So as far as using the NanoPen, I actually concentrated on areas where I have the deepest acne scarring, just so I could have my serums and moisturizers really sink into those spots to kind of plump them up a bit and improve their appearance. And as far as results, using the product, I feel like my skin just looks plumper. I feel like it looks a lot more hydrated, especially after using the device, because it basically helps all your serums and moisturizers just sink in better to your skin with that nano chip technology. And it's so gentle, you don't even feel it at all. As far as my experience with this product, you cannot feel it on your skin at all. I was actually quite nervous before putting it on my face, so I tested it on my hand to see if I actually would feel it, but you actually don't feel it because of it's 1,000 times thinner. Like, these needles are much thinner compared to a traditional microneedling pen, but that you can actually feel it like glide along your skin, you know? And some people might be very sensitive to that, but this is so gentle on your skin. You don't feel the product at all, and it actually helps in basically just making sure that your skin absorbs all that serums that you put on your face just to make them more effective. So I've used this product consistently for a little over 2 months, and I can really tell the difference with my skin. I will show you guys the before of my skin and how it is now. My skin is about like 5 times brighter than before using the device. With a gradual use of the device, I just saw that my skin just got better paired with really good skincare. I felt like all the skincare products that I've been using are 1,000 times more effective because of using the pen. Overall, I feel like my skin is a lot brighter. I still have a lot of acne scarring, but I feel like they're a lot more smooth and much brighter in appearance, and I'm more comfortable in my skin without makeup on. This kit also comes with a brightening mask, which is really nice and soothing. They advise you to put it on after you do a treatment, basically to just help soothe your skin, and I think it's so nice and relaxing and soothing on your face, and it's actually quite hydrating, and I highly recommend it because it's actually a really nice face mask, and I haven't broken out from it at all, and I have sensitive skin. So overall, I would recommend this product, especially if you're sensitive and you've tried the traditional micro needles that you can actually feel on your skin. This you don't feel at all on your skin. I feel like all the serums and my moisturizer are a lot more effective with using the device. I do highly recommend the product if you are in the market for a device like this. So that is pretty much it for this review video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!